going. Let's get this day started. It's about... What time is it? It's about 9 a.m. We about to hop in the shower. I think we're gonna head over to the pool real fast. Maybe take a quick dip, and we'll get started with our day. Shower. Gotta get in the shower. Alright, what's up guys? So I just finished showering. I think I'm about to hop into the pool. I don't know why I showered then, but yeah, so let me go get dressed and I'll see you guys at the pool. So we're actually gonna get started with our day. And oh shit, the door almost hit me. So change of plans first. I'm gonna go get breakfast and go eat before I head to the pool. But yeah, here's a look at our hotel or where we're staying. It's pretty nice. Yeah, it's whatever. Bunch of whips. Hopefully these people are awake so I can eat. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Okay, so we got a real change of plans. I can't get breakfast right now because I forgot that my mom and them had a timeshare meeting or something like that. Like right now, what time is it? Yeah. Focus. It's 9:18. But yeah, so they got a timeshare meeting right now. I'm debating whether I should just go back upstairs and take a quick break. Not break, like a nap, or just chill, look through social media and stuff. But I don't know, I think I might head to the fitness center here. Yeah, so I need to change to shorts real fast. And I'm about to just head over there, get a quick pump, and continue with my day. Yeah, so I'll pick it up when I finish dressing. Alright guys, so we made it to the fitness center. But yeah, so we're gonna hop inside. It's actually pretty warm still right now. It's not too hot, but yeah. So this sucks because I don't have a tripod, so my right arm's about to get a hell of a workout. So I think I have to be quiet because we're inside right now. But yeah, hopefully we can get a good pump. So let's go. Let's do this. Keep been getting just looks because I'm carrying this camera around. Pretty fucking big, but yeah, so we here. I'm gonna get a quick workout in and I'll pick it up when I'm done. Okay guys, you guys are probably wondering what I'm doing back already, but yeah, we got a serious problem. There's too many people in there. Like, the entire thing is full. It's like a really small, compact fitness center. And there's just a bunch of old people in there. And I just, there's no room for me to work out. So, hopefully we're gonna go back in there a little while later. Probably, let's say after like lunch or something, before we do something for the rest of the day. So yeah. Yeah, so quick update. I'm sweating. It's hot outside. It's like 108 degrees. But we're in this store called Aldi. Hey, Mom, that's called Aldi, right? Yeah, so we're in a store called Aldi or something. It's like a supermarket place. It's pretty sick. I mean, it's got your everyday usual needs and whatnot. But yeah, other than that, I'll pick this shit up whenever.
Okay, so me and my brother are moving downstairs into the other room, so we gotta clean this up. So I figured, why not make a time lapse, right?
Seriously, on a serious note, what I've been thinking about lately is how can people like live in Palm Springs? Like, it is so hot here. I don't like it. It's like too hot here all the time. It needs to get colder or something, because I don't know how y'all do it. I overheat. But yeah, in case y'all didn't know where I was heading right now, I'm heading to the pool. It's time to cool off. It's a really beautiful day outside. I'm really enjoying it. So yeah, about to head in the pool, see what happens. Let's do it. Thanks, fam. Thanks, fam. Say no more, fam. Alright, but it's real hot. About to dip in this pool. Hey, where are you sitting? Alright, well, dip in the pool. It's, oh shit, it's wet. It's wet. But it's real hot. Getting to go swimming.
She asked me to go and get a noodle this morning at Walmart. They just sold out. I know. Well, they said the last batch we got in is all sold out. I don't. Well, it's always.
So we just, another damn hiccup, man. I've had hiccups this whole day. But yeah, I don't know if y'all can tell, but I got real dark after that. Oh, another damn hiccup. Well, I've gotten dark throughout that, throughout the entire swimming time. But yeah, so it's dinner time. We about to go eat. I gotta cook it. Y'all are gonna come with me, watch me cook it.
Okay, so we finished swimming. Now I'm out here cooking. You already know, Chef Robes, it's what I do. Y'all gonna watch me cook. Alright, so I just finished cooking dinner. We had a great meal. It was very delicious. And I'm pretty much just gonna wrap up the vlog here, because I'm not doing anything else but just gonna hang out, so I don't want to just shove a camera in their faces. But subscribe if you haven't already, like the video. I will appreciate it so much. I'll catch y'all in the next one. Goodbye.